you gotta take off your glasses. Even if you do your face, you have to take off your glasses.
All right, let's go. What we doing first?
Cause I don't be on camera ugly this long. I be putting my makeup on by now. Okay, first of all, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a special video. So we are gonna have a guest, Farley, and she is in the beginning stage of learning to do her makeup. So today we're gonna play in makeup and we're gonna do our makeup. So disclaimer, I'm not a professional, she's not a professional, so we're just gonna do what we do and go from there. So we're gonna try to do a soft, like natural look today. Okay. So you're using she's using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. So now you can see the difference. She's using the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wiz, and then I'm gonna use the Anastasia Beverly Hills dip brow, the pomade. I got a little freakiness inside, 'cause there's something that I want to say. I wanna be a friend any time of day. Tell me what you want. So I'm gonna brush mine right now, because mine look like really thick. I don't know if you can see this. So literally this is where you draw the lines. This is where you color, like you were just saying, I gotta go in with the lines. This is what you're gonna do. You literally just go with the line in the background. And that's to sharpen it. This takes time, so you know, go slow. So we're color correcting, and then we're gonna do the concealer. You color correcting? Oh yeah. That looks like lip gloss. That's lipstick. You idiot. Why are you?
You didn't make me laugh. I didn't even think about it. Wait, where's it at? Yeah, that was definitely lipstick.
I look ashy mouth right now, but just color correcting a little bit. Today, guys, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. So, woo, that looks super light. But so for the summertime, instead of like doing a full, I look fine already. Look at this, it's crazy. But instead of doing a full face of makeup and using like foundation and stuff, you can just do concealer or like BB cream or something like that. If you don't have a lot of blemishes. If you have a lot of blemishes, then you're gonna have to probably use foundation. Just get a light foundation. My brush getting all, my junk getting all dry.
I'm going as fast as I can.
But you see, okay, so remember you were saying you don't use them much, but I use a lot. I like to be all tribal.
Oh, I'm supposed to put it there and down here?
Yeah.
And on your nose? What the fuck, man?
Well, you don't gotta do all that. That's if you want to be contoured and snatched. Okay, you don't have to do all of that. Because when you do your highlight, you see now it's like highlighted right there.
I want to look regular, schmegular.
Okay, but you're gonna look regular, schmegular, but you don't want to look like irregular with light up here and then everything else like not. Guys, so we did not put on any foundation. We are just using our concealer today. Sure, so you see I have to make sure that I'm blending these edges out because
you go up like on your nose with this? Okay, so over and on your nose. Cause I'm like, yeah, it's gonna be blotchy. Man, beating my skin.
Okay, yes. Oh, you look so cute. Okay, but you gotta get this right here.
What? What about it?
You need to put some, whatever the excess on there, just dab right here. Like this.
But ain't I supposed to go darker around my mouth because
move it now. See how much better that look?
Well,
do you see how little it was though?
But because I'm losing my pigment there.
With your powder, you're gonna put that powder.
Hey, it looks like I ain't got no nose.
You Come on, you all breaking your pigments. You're not done. You're not done. Your beat not over. So take that brush.
This look good already.
Get your face powder. Do what? Where your face powder? That powder right there.
Is this my color?
I don't know, cause you gotta test it out. Have you used it before? Alright. Yeah. So put that all like down here. Don't put it up here.
Wait, am I going around my mouth too? Like,
yes. Yep, just like what you're doing. So I'm using my MAC finishing powder, and then Farley has her Maybelline Fit Me.
Hey, yo, I like that.
Finishing powder. Come on.
Even tell I'm
it's okay. Makeup is too enhanced.
Alright, now what?
Certain blemishes. Did you put it all over?
No, where
It's like your forehead up here.
Wow.
Cause Farley, we're not acting wild, we just doing it so we can. And honestly, since I'm like, my chest is like lighter and my face was like really tan, me doing this method kind of works good for me because I was looking really dark in the face and then really light everywhere else.
Alright, I'm done, man.
You're not done. Barney is ready for blush. I'm gonna put a little bit on my Laura Mercier on. Just a little. Okay, so you wanna do your highlight now? You just left me. Alright, polo me.
That's this one. This one right here.
Farley used her she used her Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Fit. And and I want to use my Black Radiance Contour Kit.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming up.
So when you contour, so for me, I like to contour to kind of like bring color back into my face, or bronze, or.
I can't get on that brush.
Just use the trophy one. You already got it on your eyes. Oh, we didn't go. We used the same blush, which is the Milani Baked Blush and Rose Dior.
Ooh, it's a lot.
Yeah, so you can just kind of like take your foundation brush, which you always come back in handy. You look all cute and prestigious.
But I wear these glasses all the time.
No, but you don't be looking at high. With them on.
That high? That hot? That's what you trying to say. You trying to say hot.
Oh, you be looking prestigious all the time. You don't be looking.
Whatever.
Oh, you have your lipstick. I can't even see. I'm just looking at the camera, which is so bad. Do not do your makeup looking at the camera. Because you be looking all good on camera. And
all I care about is money and the city that I'm from. Sing until I feel it, I'ma go until it's done. I don't need to say what's up, and my excuse is that I'm young. And I'm only getting older, somebody should have told that I'm on one.
So we're kind of going for like a little bit of an ombre look today. What you want to be a look, basically.
My lip.
What you want to be a look, you know? So she used the NYX The Dark. I don't know, number 22. It'll be down in the description box. And then I use the, this is not even NYX, this is Forever Matte. This is like a $2 lipstick from the beauty store. Then I went over that for my ombre pink with the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. So I'm waiting for this to dry so I can go ahead and add my Fizz Block.
It probably needs to be more on the other side. Okay, I need to make sure.
You need to just do it like a coat in the middle. Yeah, like a coat, just like in the middle. Let me see more. No, black. So at this point, you can choose to keep it like that or add a little gloss. It's up to you. I might add some gloss.
Let me see these lips though.
So I'm using my Artistry.
You don't see this lip.
This will be also in the description box. Look at how cute this is. Look at this. It's first of all, it's a mirror on here, and they got a light. I'm gonna turn. Watch this. Ah! Watch this. Can y'all see that? It's a freaking light. Ain't that cute? You look so uninterested. Because if you're in the dark in the club or something, you just like, you know what? I need to look.
Girl, do you see me? Do you see me?
She cares about his money and the city.
I'm on sleep my
Her intention is to play, but she don't need no.
I don't know how.
She's feeling all this liquor, trying to pass me all these cups. Oh, baby girl, I'm torn, and somebody should have told her I pop one. Fuck it, I pop one. Oh, girl, I'm on one. Fuck it, I pop one. I pop one. You like us and I got that drink. It could be purple, it could be pink. 10 and a 9, you mix that dish. Money never got till we get that dish. And I'm on one. Yeah. You know I'm on one. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. We was planning makeup today, so
She did my edges.
I did her edges. Her glow up was bro. We didn't even get the before and after, but we both glowed up.
The whole video you got what the fuck I look like.
Oh my god, like you look all vanilla and I look all nice and chocolatey. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe, and watch this video.